My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from December 15th to December 21st. Monday, December 16th, members of our high school chorus will be taking a trip to JSSA to carol for our community senior citizens. At 3:35 in the club room, there will be a student government meeting. All are welcome to attend. On Thursday, December 17th, our high school juniors and seniors will be taking a day trip to the movie theater to see Wicked from 8:45 a.m. to 1 p.m. Wednesday, December 18th, the Outstanding Scholar Ceremony will be taking place from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. for grades 6 and 7A, then from 10:15 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. 7B and 8th grade Outstanding Scholar Ceremony will be held. Thursday, December 19th, the Outstanding Scholar Ceremony will be held from 9 to 10 a.m. for the 11th and 12th grade students. From 10:15 to 11:15 a.m., our 9th and 10th grade ceremony will take place. Then at 4:15 to 5:15, there will be a student government event. Our Scholars Academy Winter Concert will take place from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. featuring our dedicated and talented band and chorus members. All are welcome to attend and show support. And that is it for the event preview for this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. And I'll see you next time.